Start.
Good morning to all. Now we are going to see about the topic Unit 5 Multiple Integral in Matrices and Calculus. In multiple integral we will see the topic triple integral. In triple integral is the first problem. Evaluate integral 0 to a, integral 0 to b, integral 0 to c, e power x plus y plus z dz dy dx, which implies first separate 0 to a, 0 to b, 0 to c, e power x plus y plus z is separate into three terms, e power x into e power y into e power z dz dy dx. In the next step, this is z limit, this is y limit, this is x limit. First integrating with respect to z. Next, substituting the z limit 0 to c. After that, we have to integrate with respect to y, substituting the y limit 0 to b. After that, integrating with respect to x, substituting the x limit 0 to a. Now, we are going to integrating with respect to z, the z terms e power z. Therefore, integral 0 to a, integral y equal to 0 to b, e power x, e power y is constant, take outside, e power z, integrating e power z with respect to z is e power z. Next, substituting the limit 0 to c. Next, balance term is dy dx, which implies integral x equal to 0 to a, integral 0 to b, e power x into e power y, substituting the upper limit z is replaced by c and lower limit z is replaced by 0. The answer is e power c minus e power 0 into dy dx, which implies integral x equal to 0 to a, integral 0 to b, e power x into e power y, e power 0 value is 1, therefore e power c minus 1 dy into dx. From this step, e power c minus 1 is constant, take outside, which implies integral 0 to a, 0 to b, e power c minus 1 into, in the next step, now integrating with respect to y, e power x into e power y into dy dx, which implies e power c minus 1, integral 0 to a. Next, integrating with respect to y for e power y, the answer is also e power y. Next, substituting the limit 0 to b, after that dx, which implies e power c minus 1, integral 0 to a, substituting the y limit, upper limit is b, lower limit is 0. The answer is e power b minus e power 0 into dx. Again, e power 0 value is 1. Therefore, the result is e power c minus 1 into integral 0 to a, e power b minus 1 into dx. In the term e power x. In the next step, e power b minus 1 is also constant, take outside. Already e power c minus 1, it again e power b minus 1, integral 0 to a, e power x into dx. Now integrating the term e power x with respect to x and substituting the limit. E power c minus 1 into e power b minus 1, integrating with respect to e power x is also e power x. Next, substituting the limit 0 to a, e power c minus 1 into e power b minus 1, e power a minus e power 0, e power 0 value is 1, therefore last answer is e power c minus 1 into e power b minus 1, e power a minus 1, hence the result. The next problem, in triple integral, next problem, evaluate integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to x, integral 0 to square root of x plus y into dz dy dz dy dx. First, this is dz, therefore inner integral limit is z limit. Second one is dy, therefore next integral is limit is y. Last one is x, first integral is x limit. Now, first integrating the term z with respect to z, substituting the z limit 0 to root of x plus y. X equal to 0 to 1, y limit is 0 to x. First integrating with respect to z is z square by 2, substituting the limit 0 to square root of x plus y into dy dx, which is equal to integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to x, substituting the z upper limit is root of x plus y, square root and also squares get cancel, balance is x plus y divided by 2 into dy dx. Here 1 by 2 is constant, take outside the integral 1 by 2 integral 0 to 1 integral 0 to x plus y into dy dx. In the next step, now we integrate with respect to y, substituting the limit y limit 0 to x is equal to 1 by 2 integral 0 to 1 integrating with respect to y, x term is xy plus next integrating y with respect to y is y square by 2. Next substituting the limit y limit is 0 to x into dx is equal to 1 by 2 integral 0 to 1 y limit is 0 to x, therefore we can substitute the limit for y. Already here x into x is x square plus substituting y limit is x plus x square by 2. Upper limit is over. Next put the minus symbol. After that substituting the lower limit. Substituting the lower limit for y value is 0. 0 into anything 0. Here also y value is 0. Therefore lower limit is 0. After that dx is equal to 1 by 2. Next in the x square plus 1 by 2 is 3x square by 2. Into dx. Here 3 by 2 is constant, take outside, already here 1 by 2, therefore 3 by 4 integral 0 to 1 x square into dx. In the next step, now integrating x square with respect to x, the result is x cube by 3, x cube divided by 3. Next substituting the limit 0 to 1, 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. 3 cancel, last answer is 1 by 4. Integral of x power n dx formula is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Therefore, integral x cube dx is equal to x power 4 by 4. Integral x power 5 dx equal to x power 6 by 6. In the similar way, integrating x square dx is x cube by 3. Last answer is 1 by 4. Thank you.